I just so happened to notice an advertisement in the classified advertisement in the Glasgow Herald saying an evening class in etching. And I thought, that's scratchy drawing, isn't it? Thinking of Rembrandt and people like Whistler. And I'm doing scratchy drawing. Oh, I'll have a go at that. So this would be about 1978. And on the duly appointed time, I went up the stairs to the top floor of Ingram Street and opened these huge metal doors and entered this Aladdin's cave of printing machines. I was seduced and have been ever since. So I started an evening class in etching, and as I was doing my scratching away at the hard ground, I looked up and there was Johnny Taylor and Clive Sutton taking an evening class in screen printing. People were squeegeeing big sheets of colour. I thought, ooh, that looks interesting. So once I'd finished the etching class, I moved on to screen printing. And whilst I was doing the screen printing class, I looked over and there was Dominic Snyder. He was doing a lithography class in metal plates, people doing dark, chalky drawings. I thought, must have a go at that.